Hello everyone and guys, welcome to the RRR series of your current affairs preparation for your upcoming RBI Grade B and NABARD Grade A 2026 examination. This is the 26th of your government schemes revision and let's begin with the session here. First of all, let's look at the homework question from day 25, that is on the MSF risk tier under the NPS scheme. The statement for high risk tiers allows up to 100% equity exposure. Moderate risk tier involves partial equity exposure. Low risk tier mandates zero equity exposure. So the thing that I've asked you is which of the given statement is or are correct. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 only, 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 3. And guys, the answer for that is option number A. 1 and 2 only is the right answer, because low risk is not saying that there should be zero equity exposure. It says there should be minimum equity exposure. That is the thing here. Now let's talk about the scheme for the day, that is PM Setu scheme. And here is the first question. With reference to the PM Setu scheme, consider the following pairs. That is the components and their outlay here. Total outlay of the scheme is 60,000 crore rupees. Center share is 20,000 crore rupees. Industrial share is 10,000 crore rupees. And you have to let me know which of the given pair is or are correctly matched. 1 and 3, 1 only, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, or 3 only. And guys, the answer for that is option number A, 1 and 3 only, because center share is not 20,000. It is actually states here. When I talk about center share, it is 30,000 crore rupees, out of which 50% is going to be contributed by World Bank and Asian Development Bank here. Now let's look at the second question for the day, that is consider the following statements regarding the PM Setu scheme. 1000 vocational skill labs will be established in 34 states or union territories. These labs are to be aligned with the NEP 2020 and CBSE curriculum. The scheme targets 15 high demand sectors, with the IT sector among the high demand sector. Now which of the given statements are correct here? 1 and 2 only, 2 only, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 3 only. So guys, the answer for that is option number B, 2 only. The reason being that because it's not 1000, it is going to be 1200 vocational labs, and it's not 15, it is 12 high demand sectors, with IT sector as one of the sector here. Okay, then it's a time for the homework question. So the question I'm asking is consider the following statements regarding the institutional development components of the PM Setu scheme. Now 5 national skill training institutes are to be upgraded into centers of excellence. These institutes are located in Ludhiana, Kanpur, Hyderabad, Chennai and Bhubaneswar. The upgradation is aimed at strengthening domestic partnership only. Now which of the given statements are correct? You have to let me know the answer, and it's a very easy question. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1 only. So thank you for watching this video guys, and for more such videos, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel.